ever find you. Oh, I love you so.
We'll fight every storm that was set between us two. We'll start getting nowhere with every hassle too. I mean, bearing them is already fine. We should be able to live together. Let's all be like them, right? Oh, king of mine, I put you on the throne. We would always be in pairs, like each chromosome. And when you get undressed, Lord, my mind is blown. If I were to choose between bright and Leo, I would have none. But you're a neighbor. You're always wet in my palm, shining so bright that you'll illuminate the sky in a second. And I might have been warned, don't fall for it, don't run. Cause when you stop and you would die for him, he would be gone. But everything is under control, you should know where he hijo. My feelings are unreachable, like sent through his sombrero. And maybe this guy can move me like no one could, but I get strong and he would do nothing else but do me good.
Have I lost?
Could it be that perfect with someone else?
Will I ever?
How do you do that? You are always in my head.
Oh,
You blow away my sorrow, you got me feeling mellow. Is it love that you show? So come on, take my hand, show you how it goes. There's no rules, but I can always call the shots. I know how you look, yeah, let me be in charge. Be my Prince Charming, I'll be Cinderella. And if you miss one step, I won't let you fall. Carry you through the darkness with my brawny arms. Don't worry, babe, feels good to know we can count on each other. Don't listen to the others, tell them we talk to them later. You feel that breeze, we all at peace. And enjoy it before somebody just ruins it. Magnificent, high astonishing. Hearing your voice is like hearing weird instruments. I get chicks in my body, could you stop intimidating me?
Alors, début de la randonnée de Crespenou et Oppidum de Mus à Sauve. Et... Bon, il y a du vent aujourd'hui, c'est dur de voler. Et voilà, on y va. Ouais, faut pas glisser quoi, juste.
De toute façon, on repasse pas par là après.
Non, on va par là-haut.
Moi, ça me dérange pas.
Après... Bon, ben on va se déchausser, hein, ma chérie.
Ouais.
Et puis on va aller de l'autre côté. Voilà. Sympa. Ouais.
Tu crois pas que c'est plutôt 45?
Ouais, il y a une chaussure. Là-bas,
Enjoying like we're supposed to do, so would you give me a hit?